Well, there are times when our Bollywood actors land in controversies which they don't see coming, and this time one of the Bollywood's handsome actors has landed in legal trouble and it doesn't seem to be ending soon. Yes, you heard it right, we are talking about actor Arjun, who has been charged with non-payment of dues by an entertainment company. And a company called YT Entertainment has filed a criminal case against the actor as he failed to return around rupees 1 crore to the firm. As per the report, Rampal had taken a loan from the company which was due in 90 days, and the company that claims to fund movies had extended the loan to Arjun at a much lower rate than other companies. Not just that, the Pultan actor had also given a post-dated check to the company as security. But after 90 days, the check bounced, and consequently, the entertainment company filed a lawsuit against the actor under the Negotiable Instruments Act. Also, YT Entertainment aims to recovering the money from Arjun in a different manner, and they also plan on taking the money Arjun gets from his future movies until their due amount is cleared. For more updates on Bollywood, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. It's a Jay's report from Nexon World.